Here's a quick first look and impression, little unboxing of these Yoneda underglow lights, undercarriage lights, whatever you want to call them. That's some pretty solid cable right there. You get all this hardware with it. Really what we want to see is the lights, right? You get a bunch of zip ties, and then here's one of the lights. So let's check this out right here. There's a close-up look at the light. Pretty lightweight, strong cables right here. Like the casing on the cables is really nice and thick. And then there's a look at the wires. They got the little tips covered on them, which is nice. So you just want to slip those off when you're installing. Let me see if I can get this off. There you go. Exposes the metal wire right there. Hopefully that's coming through okay in the camera. And then you just got a bunch more of those. Boom, a bunch of them. Decided to put those to use. And you also get adhesive strips that you can attach to the back of them. So you just peel off this top red piece, and then you have this adhesive on the bottom. So you'll stick like that, and then stick the other side wherever you want it to be placed, fairly permanently. So nice little kit right here. Should work well.